Good morning children. Welcome to today's session. Last classes we are completed 6 sessions. Today we start our 7th session. Okay na? Yeah. So all of you open your textbooks. All of you open your textbooks. Page number. Yeah, open all of you. Open your textbook page number 79. The 79 page number already we are completed. Yes or no? The 79 page number already we are completed. And turn your page number. Open page number 80. See here. Open page number 80. Okay children. All of you open the page number 80. Open all of you. Yeah, open. Yeah. So, in the page number 80, fourth bit. The page number 80, fourth bit. What is this children? Write the successor of following numbers. Write the successor of following numbers. Already before class I am telling you. Whenever start our textbook, I already told successor means after number. Predecessor means before number. I told na? How do you remember? Successor means after number. Predecessor means before number. So, they are asking here, write the successor of following numbers. Write the successor of following numbers. So, what is the first one? 4217. 4217. So, 4217, what is the successor? Got it? 4217, what is the successor? 4218. Yes or no? Yes or no? 4217 successor means 2418. Right? Yeah. Over this, noted this in the in blanks are there na? Yeah. In the blanks only have to write. The blanks only has to write. See here. Blanks. Yeah. The first one you have to write in the first blank. Okay? Yeah. Then B. 3819 successor. 3819 successor. What is the successor 3819? 3820. Okay? 3820. Is this clear? Yeah. This one also has to write in the second blank. Then C1. 1119. 1119. So, 1119 successor. 1119 successor. 1120. 1120. Then E. Sorry, D. D1 4280. What is the 4280 successor? Got it? What is the 4280 successor? Got it? 4281. 4281. Clear? Then E1 9313. 9313. So what is the successor of 9313? What is the successor 9313? The successor of 9313 is 9314. Clear? Are you understood this? This one successor. This one is a successor. Okay? This one is successor. Okay? This fourth bit. Which one? Fourth bit we are writing in successor. Successor means after numbers. Successor means after numbers. Is this clear? All are noted this one. If you over that, come to the fifth bit. Noted this? Completed? Yeah, complete everyone. And have to write the next one. Next one you have to write. Fifth bit. What is the fifth bit? Predecessor. predecessor. Okay, na? Write the predecessors of the following numbers. Write the predecessors of following the numbers. So, fifth bit has to write down. Once see the numbers, what I am told you, predecessor means before number. Predecessor means before numbers. So, write the predecessor of the following numbers. What is the first one? 3810. What is the predecessor of 3810? 3810. What is the predecessor? Tell me. Yeah. 3809. Is this clear? 3809 is the predecessor of 3810. Clear? Then B1 1429. 1429. Predecessor is 1428. Okay? They are given confusing numbers. Because of they are given edge numbers. End of the numbers given, they are given. Why? Because you want confused. Before, after. Which one? Definitely you have to write in 30, I think so. But 28 it is. Okay, na? That's why think and write. Listen carefully. So C1 2736. 2736 predecessor number is 2735. Because of we are writing before numbers, right? We are writing before numbers. In the before bit we are writing after numbers. Now we are writing before numbers. Is this clear? Yeah. Then D1 9842. 9842 successor. Sorry, predecessor. 9842 predecessor. What? 9841. Yes or no? 9841. And the last one 6330. 6330. What is the predecessor? 6330 predecessor. 6320. Okay? Understood? Yeah. I hope this is over. Over this one? Yeah, note down this. This is predecessors. Predecessors means before numbers. If you have the doubts, you have to write here with your pencil in your textbooks. Here write before numbers. Empty space is there, na? Yeah, you have to write here before numbers and after numbers. If you have the doubts, if you forget that, means you have to note down before numbers, after numbers. Successor means after numbers. Predecessor means before numbers. Is this clear? Yeah. Over this one? Yeah. So, what about the 6th bit? What about the 6th bit? In the 6th bit, I want to give you homework. The 6th bit, I want to give you homework. Okay, children? It's nothing but, children, very simple. Compare the numbers using the sign greater than, less than or equal to. You don't know greater than, less than and equal to? It is very simple. They are given only 3 sums. Yes or no? See here. 1285, 1825. Which one is a big number here? Where it is a big number, you have to put the open sign. That's it. Very simple. And 4736, 4736. Both are equal or big or small. Have to compare the numbers. And third one, 2003, 108. Which one is a big number? Which one are equal? Have to think and put the signs greater than, less than and equal to. Okay. It is very simple. That's why I am giving you homework. Okay. Yeah. Then 7th bit. Write the numbers in ascending order. Write the numbers in a ascending order. What about the ascending order? Did you know that? What what is the meaning of ascending order? It's nothing but we want to arrange the numbers small to big. We want to arrange the numbers small to big. Small numbers nunchi big numbers ki arrange cheyali. Ascending order means arrange the numbers small to big. Okay? We will write in the classwork now. We will write in the classwork. Okay? So in the 7th bit, that is ascending order. So what is the ascending order first? See here. A1 1385, 1853, 1583, 1265. Okay, these are they are given questions. Answers after will write. And B1 2287, 2278, 2243, 2293. Answer after will write. And C1 9347, 4397, 5397, 8790. Okay, they are given like these questions. So now we will write, we arrange the numbers small to big. We arrange the numbers small to big. So 1338, 1853, 1583, 1265. In the four numbers, which one is a small number? In the four numbers, which one is a small number? This one is a small number, I think so. Compare the numbers. 1265. I already told in the third class, whatever in ascending or descending order the process I am telling you, what is the first number we are writing, you have to across the number. You have to cross the number. Okay, na? Because of it is writing or not, you remember that. You don't want to confuse, right? So 1265 is the small number. So what is the next small number? See here, 1335, 1853, 1583. In the numbers, in the three numbers, which one is a small number? 1385 is a small number. Right? Yeah, the next one. Next is small number. This one. 1583 and last number is 1853. Clear? Yeah, the next B1. 2287, 2278, 2243, 2293. Children, see here in the first two digits are same. All digits are any digits low. First two digits are same. What you compare the next one? Third digit you have to compare. Okay? Third digit you have to compare. So in the all digits, in the first two digit 22, 22, 22. So in the third digit, which one is a small number? What is this? 8, 7, 4, 9. In the numbers, which one is a small number? This one. 4 is a small number, right? So 2243 is a small number. First small number. Clear? So you have to cross the number 2243. Right? Are you understood? Yeah, then next is small number. Again you have to compare the third digit only. First one already completed in the 3 digits. You have to compare the third digit. 8 is 7. 9. So 7 is a small number, right? So 2278. Clear? Then next is small number, this one. 2287. Okay? So the last number is this one only. So 2293. Over? Yeah. Then last C1. The C1 9347, 4397, 5397, 8793. In the digits, which one is a small number? The first digit only have to compare. Okay, the first digit only have to compare. So 4397 is a small number. All the digits are 4397 is a small number. So what about the next? What about the next digit is 5397. Okay, 5397. The next one 8793. So the last digit is 9347. Are you understood, children? Are you understood this? This is the, we'll arrange numbers small to big. We'll arrange numbers small to big. Ascending means small numbers to big number we want to arrange. Okay, children? Yeah. I hope this is over. Complete this. Yeah, note down everyone. Then 8th bit is the homework. This is arrange the numbers big to small, children. Descending order. Write in the numbers in descending order. Write in the numbers in a descending order. Okay, children? Yeah. So, you want to arrange the numbers big to small, right? So, today homework is 6th and 8th bit. 6th bit and 8th bit. Okay? So, homework, textbook, page number 80. Page number 80. 6 and 8 bits. Okay, children, this is the homework. My side small request, children. My side is a small request. What is the request means? When you are sending the homeworks, send with your homeworks along with your name and class. Simply you are saying hi ma'am, and you are sending homeworks. How could I know who is sending homeworks? Your pics also not there. In the DP, your pics also not there. How could I know? So please, this is my side request. When you are sending the homeworks, along with the name and class. Okay? And some children writing in the class books, notebooks. Why you are writing in the notebooks? If you don't have the textbooks. If you don't have the textbooks, means ask them to your parents, buy the books. Okay, children? Thank you.